A Fortune 500 professional services organization faced a critical challenge: modernizing its asset valuation audit process. Manual audits took more than 30 days per engagement and relied heavily on data sampling, limiting accuracy and increasing operational risk. As demand grew, the process became increasingly resource-intensive and difficult to scale. With vast volumes of financial data across thousands of companies, the organization needed a modern solution, one that could deliver full asset coverage, improve accuracy, and accelerate audit timelines while meeting strict regulatory standards. INSPYR Solutions partnered with the client to build and scale an enterprise-grade, cloud-based asset valuation platform. Using a scaled agile framework, the team supported the full product lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and continuous optimization. The solution introduced cloud-native architecture, automated deployment pipelines, and expanded QA automation, enabling faster releases and more reliable performance. A global, cross-functional team of experts collaborated across regions to ensure scalability, quality, and continuous innovation. The results were transformational: over 95% asset coverage, eliminating reliance on sampling. Audit timelines reduced to under 30 days. More than 1,500 clients and 14,000 users positively impacted. Faster release cycles with automated deployments and continuous delivery. By modernizing asset valuation audits with automation and cloud technology, INSPYR Solutions helped redefine accuracy, efficiency, and scalability, empowering smarter, faster audit decisions on a global scale. INSPYR Solutions. Technology is our focus, and quality is our commitment.